Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by connecting the Essl unit to your network and workstation. Set a static IP or reserve via DHCP so the device stays reachable. Write down the IP, gateway, and mask. Install the Essl SDK or communication tool and the USB driver on your computer. Once installed, open the tool, add the device using its IP or device ID, and authenticate with the admin credentials you created. This establishes the direct link for exporting logs and templates. Once connected, request the attendance and user template data through the SDK or built-in communication utility. Pull logs as CSV or TXT and export templates if you need biometric mapping. Make sure to filter by date range and device ID to avoid duplicates. If available, use an incremental marker like last read time or log index for efficient sync. Save exports with clear names and timestamps, and verify record counts against the device summary so you can reconcile missing rows early. Now import the clean CSV or invoke the API to push data into your HR or payroll system. Map fingerprint ID to employee ID and align timestamp formats. If encoding issues appear, convert to UTF-8. Validate totals and a sample of records to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, schedule automated pulls using the SDK or a cron job and rotate backups of raw exports. If something goes wrong, first check connectivity and device time drift. Mismatched clocks often cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.